Hello everyone, welcome back to Nextgen Cad. I am Vihanga and I am an engineer. This is the third video in our Revit tutorial series. In the last video, we learned about the Revit interface, how to open new models, families, templates and parametric modeling. Today we will focus on the one of the most important parts of Revit, the ribbon. The ribbon is the where almost all Revit tools are found. Understanding it properly will make you work faster and easier. Let's get started. What is the ribbon? When you open the Revit, the ribbon is the big toolbar at the top of the screen. It contains tabs, panels and tools. Every function is Revit, like creating walls, doors, annotation or views. It starts from here. Think of the ribbon as Revit command center. Let's look at how the ribbon organized. At the top we have tabs, architecture, structure, something like that. These are like categories of tools. Each tab contains panels, group of related tools. Each Inside each panel we have commands or tools. For example, in the architecture tab, there is build panel that includes tools like walls, doors, windows, components, etc. Here is the main content. Architecture tab. Architecture tab. Architecture tab. This is the most used tab for architects and engineers. It includes tools to create building elements. Building panel, create a wall, windows, doors, columns and components. Circulation panel, add stairs, railing and ramps. Opening panel, create openings and shaft. Roof, ceiling, floor. Add building elements to upper and lower parts. Let's example. For example, let's quickly place a wall, then door and window. Every time you click a tool, notice that ribbon changes for a new modify tab. This gives you option for that specific element. Second one is structure tab. The structure tab is for structural engineers. It contains tools like beams, columns, foundation, reinforcement. Even if you are an architect, it's good to know this tab exists. System tab. The system tab is used by MEP engineers, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, etc. Here you can add ducts, pipes, lighting and electrical system. This is part of Revit beam strength because all disciplines work in the same model. The Insert tab. The Insert tab helps us bring internal files into our project. We can link or import CAD files, PDF or other Revit models. We can also load new families from libraries. Something like CAD files, IFC, Revit files, CAD files. Annotate tab. The Annotate tab is used for adding dimension, text, notes and tags. After modeling, we use this tab to prepare construction drawings. View tab. The View tab controls how we see the model. We can create 3D views, sections, elevations or camera views. You can also adjust graphic, visibility and visual styles here. Manage tab. The Manage tab handles project settings like materials, object styles, project units and link files. This is where we manage how the project behaves beyond the scene. Modify tab. The Modify tab appears automatically when we select create an element. It gives tools like move, copy, rotate, align, mirror and trim. These tools help us shape our model precisely. Let's do a simple example to understand how the ribbon works. I will go to the Architecture tab and draw some walls. Now I will add doors and window. Notice how the Modify tab appears when I finish placing each model. Then I will go to the Annotate tab and add few dimensions. And finally, I will open the View tab and create a quick 3D view. You can see the ribbon makes everything easy to access. It changes depending on what you are doing. Okay, let's review what we learned today. The ribbon is Revit's main command area. It's divided into tabs, panels and tools. Each tab controls specific parts of the workflow: architecture, structure, system, annotate, and views. The Modify tab appears automatically when we work with elements. In the next video, we will continue building our project and explore how to use these tools to start modeling a real building. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have found this helpful. See you in the next video.